all heat you up in different ways. There are three types of heat transport: conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction is the transference of thermal energy between neighbouring molecules or atoms, and occurs in solids, liquids, and gases. When atoms get hot, their vibrations increase. The hotter the atom, the more kinetic energy these vibrations have. When one atom collides with another, this energy is transferred. This is how heat is conducted from one substance to another, in this case, between a hot liquid and a cold metal. Conduction is the most direct method of transferring heat energy between two objects. Some materials are naturally good conductors of heat, while others are poor. Metals usually conduct heat extremely well, whereas glass or wood do not. This explains why metal kitchen utensils heat up, while wooden ones remain cool. When a radiator heats the air around it, the air rises. Cold air fills the space left by the rising hot air, and the cycle repeats. This is convection. Convection only occurs within liquids and gases, because they expand when they are heated. As they expand, they become less dense and rise, creating convection currents. It's convection currents which keep gliders in the sky. Objects which are hotter than their surroundings, such as a fire or the sun, are radiating heat. Vibrating atoms emit infrared electromagnetic waves, which we detect as heat. All matter can emit or absorb thermal radiation. And because no particles are involved, infrared radiation can even travel through the vacuum of space. Explaining how we can feel heat from the sun emitted millions of kilometers away.